Hello and welcome to Shopify Experts. Today we will see that how we can import products using CSV file with the help of Store Importer Products Importer app. Okay, so we'll have to go to apps. If you haven't installed this app before, then you have to install it, this Store Importer. Okay. After clicking on Store Importer, you have to simply log in into Store Importer app. And yes, once you are logged in, okay, we have one file available, like, let me show you. Okay, this one is not, something is wrong. Let me, okay, yes, let me play this again. Okay, here it is opening. So while opening, we will see into the file. We have already file available. This CSV file, you can see we have 100 products available in it. Okay, and we have different images, we have different variants, we have different tags, we have different currency, price, description and title. This is one is the description, complete description for this product, as you can see. Okay, so we will close this one and we will go back to Store Importer app. Okay, let me check into the products. If there is any available product, then we should delete that one, because we are going to import 100 products in one click through Store Importer through CSV file. These products have been exported from Etsy store. So you can also use different stores options available in the Store Importer, like you can use different platforms such as BigCommerce, Lightspeed, WooCommerce, Squarespace, MailChimp, Shopify, Shopkeep. It's a big cartel, Square, PrestaShop and others. We will select Etsy. Once we have this, we will simply click on add here, add file, and then we will go into our pick up our CSV file that is available. Okay, once you have select this file, your file is selected. Once it's selected, it will show you these things like product title, description, image, price, variant, inventory, tags. You can also use these things available in your CSV file. So we will like to click on continue import. Once you will select continue import, it will start reading the file like this. Sorry. So here you can see it's reading the products here, 37 so far, 41 so far, reading all the products. Till so 76 products have been imported. Okay, here we have 100 products ready, already read it. Now it's verifying. Once these are verified, it will say us that, hey, you have it's still verifying. Okay, now it's saying that do you want to import the inventory, include the inventory also. So yes, we would like to go with it, and yes, we will click on import. Once we will click on import, it will be like this. it will take some time. Here you can see it's showing the imported successfully imported products here, and a large number of items are currently being added to your store. You can leave this page and continue working. An email will be sent to you once the import is complete. This will not take so much time because these are only 100 products. It's also saying some products may have inaccurate prices, inaccurate inventory. These will be left unpublished. Please review these variants to ensure the prices are correct. So we will review it, and yes, definitely we'll have our 100 products. Once successfully imported, we will get an email. So we'll be back when it's okay. I think it don't take so much time. You can also stay with me here if you would like, or you can forward the video like 20-30 seconds or a minute. I think I should pause it and resume it when it's 90 plus. Okay, here it's 80 plus, so I thought to resume it. We have 87 products successfully imported till far. Okay, here we go. We have 100 products imported, and now it's downloading all the images because there are 701 images. It won't take so much time. I'll have to pause it and then resume it, so you don't have to wait a lot. Okay, now it's very near to downloading the images. There are total 701 images, and till far it's 668 images have been downloaded into the store. It's also saying some of your products have images that we could not load into your store. We imported these products without those images, maybe that are not properly formatted, like their formats are not suitable with the Shopify. That's why it's doing so, or the links for downloading images will be not reachable. That's why it's saying this. So don't worry about this. Most of the images will be uploaded. Okay, it's now updating products. Successfully imported 100 products into the store. Let's have a look by clicking here. Okay, here you can see it's like 50 on this page and 50 on the other page. So total hundreds are imported. You can see that how this product will be look like after import. It will be like this. with one size. We can add other sizes as well. So these are the products procedure to import from its store or for other 7 to 8 stores that I showed you. So if you are also facing any problem to import products into your stores in a short time, then do comment here, like this video, subscribe this channel so that other can also have a look and make sure that everything is working fine. Have a great day for watching the video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.